Welcome back in this new video. This is an update. Since probably 1 month I didn't make any video, but I'm back. I was pretty busy doing stuff also with my Darwinex account. I'm traveling in Japan at the moment from Italy, so I'm doing many things all at the same time. And yeah, that's like an update. And yeah, I received my second reward from FTMO, and as you can see, the certificate, same name, and yeah, this time a little less than the previous one, but my goal is to achieve each time around 500 euro, and was a little bit less, but because emotion kicked in and it didn't help, because I was actually, I'm gonna show you, this is the equity of the month, because this was the equity of the previous month with FTMO. It didn't look great, but then I got back in profit. And yeah, now you cannot see the highest point I reached, but it was actually around 730 USD. So yeah, I had to close them all manually around this profit. I lost a little bit, but yeah, it's fine. And it was I think a big lessons for the next time, and also for the future, and maybe also for you, because with money all of the trade were fine, because I'm not doing every single trade, so the algorithms are doing that. But then when you get profit, so you're, let's say in this case you were close to 500 euro, then the emotion kicked in, and I was thinking, okay, maybe I want something more, or maybe it's better to close the position now. Okay, the best thing now is going to automate also that process. I don't want to be involved emotionally in something that I shouldn't be involved. Okay, that's because I think, especially with money, the algorithms are way better, of course, because there is no emotion involved. And this is the max loss versus the, let's say, max profit. The max profit was like 730, so it's like kind of negative, but it's fine, because as I said before, I'm trying to withdraw money each time the profit reached like around 700 USD. That's equal to 500 euro. The beginning of the month, it was pretty rough. The beginning wasn't that, as I said, the beginning wasn't that good, but then yeah, it became much better in the end, as you can see, probably yeah, the last 4 days. So when I start to close down the position manually, of course, I'm going to show you the performance from the portfolio that I'm using all of the algorithms on. So basically all of the algorithms now are running on a different broker. You can see it here. Now I'm on Windows, and this is my VPS, where all of my trading algorithms and software are running. This is like a virtual private server, and yeah, this is actually a demo account from Oanda. And yeah, those were all the position from mid-October till mid-November. The profit is like quite bigger than the account on FTMO, because I'm currently copying all the position, but with half of the size. If here is going to open, let's say, 2 microlots of gold, on my FTMO account is going to open it like half of that. That's it. And also it's not counting all of the fees and swap fees, so that doesn't make any sense to pay like only 41 euro and 1.3 of swap fee. And yeah, I need to count also that, but that's basically the overall performance. And this is the equity, and it looks, I think, much better than the one on FTMO, but of course, because there is no fee inside this report. We have here 107 position for this 30 days of period, and then 50 of them were short position and 57 long position, long trades. And here you can see that we got like a good win rate in this month, these 30 days, because on the short position we had around 63% win rate compared to the 40% win rate on long position. This is the equity from beginning of August till now, because this is updated to November 23rd. And yeah, lately all of the algorithms are performing quite well, and so yeah, I'm pretty happy for that. So this is not like, this one was my share after the 80% profit split. That's pretty good, but of course I have to show you that like I also had some expense this year. And yeah, so basically those are the money I spent this year for, this is the VPS, so the server. I'm running all the algorithms, and this one is the Darwinex fee. Actually is a little bit too high in my opinion, but I'm managing to move all of the algorithms, Darwinex 0, that is like the risk-free platform, to the Darwinex Classic. That's a little bit different, but you can actually switch the two accounts, this account to Darwinex normal. And yeah, I'm not going to pay all of those monthly fee. That's actually now it's coming to 45 euro, so that's 50 USD. It's not that nice to pay each month that amount. And yeah, but I think the fee of the VPS is going to be still the same. And now I changed to a Contabo VPS. It's a different company, and actually I'm doing very good with this company. There is like a great support, and yeah, I think the service is like much better compared to the one I was using before. Even the latency, you can see, let's open this one. The latency now is of course during a weekend, but usually during the week is around 10 milliseconds, so it's like quite good compared to the previous one that was like around 70. I don't really care about that because like my strategy are not like HFT type or anything that need very low latency, and so yeah, I don't really care about that. But still, I think it's great to have something that if you need to copy between different accounts, can do that as soon as possible, and I think it's good. Now back to Darwinex. Currently this is the performance from end of October till now, so November 23rd. And yeah, I'm doing very good also on Darwinex. This is the yearly performance. I reached the 25.25% with a total of 6.5, let's say, and that's actually a very good proportion. And now I reached the position 70 out of, let's say, 500. But also we have in the Darwinia competition two different category. There is silver, where like most of the people are, let's say, competing, and that's like the basic one. And then if you trade for many months with good performance, you can switch to Darwinia Gold, where also private investor can join your journey. So in my case, I just got, not now, but like I got a month ago 2 investors, and actually now I'm managing the 2 different allocation. This is the prop firm or allocation, that's like around 105k, plus the investors private investors allocation, that's around 23,000 USD. So I'm very happy for this performance since January. And yeah, the beginning of the year was like pretty rough because I had only like probably 3 algorithms on compared to my entire portfolio. If I had the whole portfolio active, I would make profit in January. Yeah, and also the Sharpe ratio is quite good on this portfolio. I got paid 1,172 euro. Yep, that's the amount of performance fee I got from Darwinex. They actually paid only 15% of profit. It's not FTMO, but with this prop firm, with this company, you play the long-term game, so it's different. And I just wanted to show you that during the same month, I took this money on the November 3rd, and since then, in 20 days in November, I made now 445 euro, but it's still something that I cannot count on because this amount is going to change till 3rd of February. Yeah, that's it. I also paid for, with this money that I got, I paid this allocation. Is 100k allocation, but you need to achieve like a certain amount of performance. So I started when I was at 22.23, and I need to achieve 34.45 to unlock this allocation, and then I'll have not only 105 but also other 100k, and so you can quite double this amount for the same period, and it's something much more interesting. It's only an update video. I'm not teaching anything this time because, as I said before, I'm traveling and I didn't have much time. I had to change all of the algorithms, move them between two different private servers, as I said before, from the previous server providers to the new one, the Contabo one. And yeah, I didn't have much time to think about new video, but still I wanted to show you this. And also I started a new FTMO challenge. So I started a new 100k FTMO challenge, and yeah, it's going quite good. I don't know, this is a new experiment. I'm joining the first portfolio that I'm also using for the FTMO funded account, and also a new portfolio. I built a new portfolio of, let's say, scalper, but I think it's probably too correlated to the previous one because it's still with the same main assets, so it's going to be probably too correlated. But yeah, I'm going to see how it's going. And yeah, I was probably, it doesn't count the moment of favorable exposure, but I reached probably 1,800, so 2%, and I need to hit 10% of profit target, and not, of course, avoiding the max loss of 10,000. And yeah, I'm just 1 week and a half in, and yeah, it seems going very well. And yeah, I will keep you updated, of course, also with this one. And also I'm going to show you different things because I also built the portfolio for some real money account. It's like just 1,500 USD. It's nothing big, but like it's still something reasonable for me. Yep. Also probably I'm going to start funded next account. I'm not really sure when, but probably this week or the one after. And yeah, that's it.